When you guys apply for the Chase Freedom Flex, they do have that 0% APR. If for some reason you guys are not seeing it, please call the customer service to try to see if that is on your account and if you guys do have that available, because they do have it on their website that that is an offer that you guys will be able to have that 0% APR. But for some reason, if you guys don't see it and they're showing like a regular interest rate that you'll see on all other credit cards, please call them to see if you guys have that on your account. Do not feel like you cannot call these companies that you're getting credit from, because they're charging you 25% in interest. You guys can't get that a lot on your investments, your regular investments. So please feel okay to call them and ask them, hey, I wanted to confirm that I have this. So definitely call them to ask them if you have it. Now, here is that card, the Chase Freedom Flex. I think that is the one that they said. So yeah, the Freedom Flex card with Chase. So here it is right here. If you guys was to scroll down some, so you guys have that 0% intro APR for 15 months from opening your account for purchases and balance transfer. After that intro period, then you guys are going to have an interest rate between 19 and 28%. So you guys probably just have to call them to confirm that you do have this, but just call them and see, because a lot of times you may have questions about your accounts, but it's best if you just call them to like see for sure. But call them, ask them if you have it, and then they'll be able to